Hello everybody. Don't worry. No need to fear, the best trader is here. Nice joke, right? Just a short stream this morning or this evening. Very, very short stream because I have to go, you know. Yannick, hello. Francis, good morning. So very short stream. I'm going to visit my mother in the hospital. So I just came up to check out some stuff. Short stream. Okay. Farhad, good morning. Francis, Yannick. Oh, I said good morning. So this is just a quick look at the markets. Maybe I can stay somewhat around the London Open. A little bit earlier, I have to leave. So. Look at this consolidation. Consolidation. What's the range here? Oh my God, not too good. Albert, hello, good morning. Welcome. So we are in a consolidation, and yesterday was an interesting run. Look at this, almost went up to the high up there, and I mean it almost went over this. What was the level? 562. And took a dump all the way down there. Interesting. Sam, hello. Yeah, I have to leave early, Sam. I said yesterday, and I put it out on the post that this week, Tuesday and today, Thursday, I'm going to the hospital from to my mother, and she's okay, but you know, I have to speak with the doctors and stuff. Long story short, I have to go and drive away soon, but I'll be back hopefully to the New York stream because in the hospital I have to drive a lot. So I'll be away. Yesterday you blown an account? Oh man. Yannick, I don't know which prop firm was it, but what I can say that it's gonna happen again. I'm sorry to say that. It's going to happen again. It's gonna happen again with me, like most of us. It's gonna happen again. Your job is to scale it down how often it happens and take those payouts until, you know, until you find your way. Nikolai, hello. Phidias, okay. Thank you, trucker. Thank you. She's having an autoimmune disease, and the doctors are keeping her in the hospital because she needs some special therapy. And I have to bring her some new clothes and stuff, you know, because we did not expect that she has to stay. But I want to speak with the doctor in person as well, and that's why I have to leave. So just a short stream right now. Most likely I'll be leaving just before the London Open. So, but at least we can check out some levels of what's happening. We have this gap down there, by the way. It seems like that we might be getting closer to that huge new week opening gap. Now, I'm looking at the 1 hour as well. This whole thing is just, it looks like it wants to turn bearish. Green, good morning. So don't worry, Yannick, it will be better. Huge Sky, hello, good morning. Let's see. I forgot to start my quant hour just to see what's happening. There's a fair value gap at 284, and it's somewhat like an order block. I'm gonna put a line here to this candle yesterday 9 a.m. Bullish candle, because technically it's an order block, but it's not such a beautiful order block. So if it wants to go higher, anyway, let's put a buy side liquidity up there just in case. And yeah, Asia high would be there. You can tell that that's an Asia high, and as for Asia low, I would go with this one. So Asia low right there, and this is a 1 hour fair value gap up there. 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, these are the levels. Marco, good morning. Camille, my man. Hey. Ion by the set was üdvözöllek. Good morning. Okay, so we are technically ranging in between Asia high and low. So what's it gonna be first? What's cooking, squad? So let me just repeat myself. This is going to be a short stream, okay? A very, very short stream. I wasn't even planning to be here in the London kill zone. But most likely I'll be back for the New York Open. At least I try. If not, if I can't back to the New York Open, well, we'll see. By the way, I got another email from MyFundedFutures, so I might be, I hope, I mean, that would be great, appearing in the MyFundedFutures TV. It seems like they were asking me to if I'm available after 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So after 11:30, not today, but maybe tomorrow and next week, after 11:30 until lunch, end of the lunch hour, maybe, like just for an hour or 90 minutes or something. So I think I will be on at MyFundedFutures TV. You know, LFG, yeah. I still have to talk about the details, but I was flattered. Famous. I'm gonna be famous. We'll see. We'll see. I still have to talk about the detail. What is happening with TradingView? Look at this. It does. Okay. It did the same thing yesterday. Anyway. So we are right in between at Asia high and Asia low. And I really can't tell what to do here. Oh, I forgot I have to refuel the car too. Maybe and look at this range here. I mean, I don't know. Was there a bank holiday in China or something? I don't know. Look at the range. I think it was just, oh my god, like 7 or 8 points. I think it was a torture for those of you who was maybe trading. Okay, the biggest range was around 17 points here since midnight, but usually around 10 points of range in the Asia market. This could have been a torture here. I mean, this is absolutely a torture to sit through. So as I said, we are right in between. Yeah, almost at 50%. Just 3 minutes ago, we were right at the middle between the two range. And because of this, it's just nobody knows what's gonna happen. Oops. Baby, I love you. I mean, this is exactly, again, the situation when you just don't do anything. All right. So let's look at gold for a quick second until we're waiting, because really there's nothing to do with NQ right now. Absolutely nothing. I mean, it's just, no. If you enter a trade on NQ, that's at least 99% a gamble right now. Okay, let me put some lines here on gold. Got a question. Sure. On plane, do I need to type Apex Trading firm on company? No, you don't have to type anything. No. No, absolutely not. I think I haven't typed anything about Apex Trader. They're going to send you a contract through plane.com. You just have to sign it, but you don't have to sign their names. If you are registering to plane.com as a company, because you can register there as a company as well, then you have to write your company name. That's what it's for. But you don't have to type in Apex Trader or anything. Not that I remember. So you just leave it. As far as I remember, but it was like 2 years ago, and I told you guys my brain and my memory is made out of Teflon, so I don't really remember. All right. Well, there was a fair value gap here around the Asia session. All right, I have to change this. So we're still on gold. Don't worry, I'm going back to NQ. Just wanted to see what's happening. So far this fair value gap could be acting as possible resistance. Nothing, absolutely nothing here. Not even an order block. Okay, gold is cooked. NQ also. And now this is what's gonna happen. Back to NQ. This here. That's what's gonna happen. So maybe we should find some other markets like gold, except today, what we have to trade when NQ is acting up like this. I'm not sure. Let's see. I think I got a few Bulenox accounts. One, no. 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 Okay, here's 1, 2, 3. I got 3 new Bulenox evals. I guess if I get back to to New York session. It's time to go crazy, right? Hey Yamil, what up? Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was better than last week, that's for sure. Wow, 2600. Let's go, man. Chaz, good morning. Yeah, Chaz, I wasn't expecting to be here as well, and that's why I just put it right there. This is a very short stream. I have to leave even before the London Open. I just wanted to come up here and see the levels and just see what could be happening later, maybe. I'm on my way to drive 200 kilometers. So, and I'll be back. I hope I can return until the New York Open, because I have some stuff to do as well. So I'll be on my way shortly. So it's just a exceptional short stream, as I said. Today is upside down completely. You blocked the MQ? Yeah, let's go. Too emotional. Yeah, it goes fast, you know, if you, especially if we as humans go super emotional, then NQ can drive us total crazy. That's for sure. Goes fast on outside. I'm gonna tell you exactly how many kilometers I have to drive until we wait. Okay. Okay. No. No, no, no. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. Oh, it's actually not that much. I just have to add this. Okay. That's not much. 363 kilometers overall, which I have to drive. Okay. 363 kilometers. I can make it. It's no big deal. That's not a big deal, actually. Especially when you mess up that first long. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good morning, Naomi. Yeah, Naomi, I'm gonna be leaving. I'm gonna be leaving soon. I'm gonna be leaving real soon because I have to hit the road. Oh no, I miscalculated. Sorry. Yeah, I have to drive 444 kilometers today. I can actually show you my route. So this is how much I have to drive today. So here I am right now. That's where I am. I have to go up there. Then I have to go down there. Then I have to go down there. Then I have to go up there, and then back. So 444 kilometers. Here's the hospital. as you can see. Here is the hospital. And I'm here, but I have to pick up something there. And I have to go down there. And then I have to go back down there. And so it's going to be 444 kilometers, 5 hours and 38 minutes drive today. So I have to drive quite a lot today. So yeah. Good to see you too, Naomi, by the way. Trading session. Look at the trading session and tell me if it's going anywhere. I mean, this is just pure torture right now at London, it seems like. Retail talking about we're going to go down because daily H4. Maybe. I wouldn't be surprised if we would push higher. We have a 1 hour fair value gap up there with some equal highs at 283. So I wouldn't be surprised in a strong push. Maybe. Hey, Philkos, hello. I'm honored that I'm your favorite. Thank you. So, actually, this is just an unscheduled, unexpected appearance. I mean, I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'm gonna relax a little bit, and I guess I have to leave before London Open. A long day instead of coffee. Eat fruit when you're tired. Oh, definitely, definitely, John. I have some place I know along the road where I can stop for a quick meal if I get hungry. So I'm just having my morning coffee, and I thought, why not look at the market together? Steam, what up? Hello, good morning. Philkos is saying that he started drinking mushroom coffee recently to mix it up a bit. It sounds interesting, man. You know, if it helps you to see the future, I want to take a sip of that too. The hospital is specialized in. Oh yeah. Yeah. Malo, the man, the legend, the myth, the Avenger. I mean, I don't know, part of a superhero team. Long from 174, let's go. Let's go, Malo. This guy is printing money every day. I don't know. Yeah, I have to be careful with the mushrooms. Okay, seemingly, but there's no setup here. So if I just go to the 5 and it, you know, just as we talked about this yesterday, you know, you watch, you know, you see the chart, and you know, if you just don't see what you want to see, then that's it. There's no entry then. Up 3K on 2 new qualified MyFundedFutures account. Let's go, man. Let's go. By the way, MyFundedFutures is the starter account is 1 day pass. So not the starter plus, but the starter account is 1 day pass. I always forget to say that because they changed it like a few weeks ago. It's 1 day pass. Although it's more expensive, right now it's not even 5, it's 6% discount. So I have to change that. But anyway. Hey, thank you so much, Malo Legacy. Oh my god, thank you for the support. Appreciate it very, very, very much, man. I still think low of the year. Low of the year. I don't think it's in yet. Yeah, I agree. Like, let's go to the daily and let's get this stuff off. So on the daily, we see 2 huge gaps here. It's definitely going to get rebalanced sooner or later. Maybe not this week, obviously, but in the next upcoming weeks, these gaps all the way down to 18,500-ish should be rebalanced. Rebalanced by meaning down close candle. And if we go higher on the weekly, you know, what do we see? I like that question anytime I see that on social media. If you look to the left, to 2023, October, what is this? This is one of my favorite things here. This is the weekly chart. Picked up liquidity, pushed bearish, and then market structure shift, pushing it all the way up there. Shifted structure multiple times, taking all these levels. This here on the weekly chart, this here is a very textbook order block or demand zone. And you know what I say about demand zones or order blocks. Needs to be broken. And that is down there at 15,589. 15,589 down there. I think if price would go down there and break that 15,589, that would be maybe the low of the year. That would be the low of the year. And that from that, you know, that is 25 August, September, October. So yeah, somewhat a recovery starting to happen in December, maybe, you know, by the end of the year. And until then, and I know it sounds weird, this is what I'm expecting. And then a recovery. Anyway, just looking at the chart. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's tanking. It's a sell-off. 15 points. Liquidity my 3 account needed the dough. Oh, yeah. You're back qualifying. Let's go, man. Trader Joe, welcome. So Asia low is 136. Asia high is 208. Ollie, good morning. Okay, coffee is out. Coffee is out. Don't worry about it, Jamil. Yeah, maybe the who knows what happened. Yeah, I Can Trade is here. Hello there. Good morning. Welcome. And CBD maybe. Yeah. Yeah, better be careful though. Still. Picked up liquidity here. Drink more, drink more. How many funded accounts? Not as much as I had like a few weeks ago. Currently I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 funded accounts currently. I mean, I don't need 20 or 30, but I think my maximum was 14 or 16. That was my max at a time. Usually I stick around, I try to stick around with anywhere between 6 to 10, because I trade them in small groups, like almost like separately. If I copy trade these accounts, the maximum I copy trade is around 3 accounts. Most likely, if I want to copy trade, I do it with 2 accounts, and I trade them separately in small groups. That's how I can't handle. I just can't. I can't copy trade them all. I told you guys I can't handle the pressure, and I don't even want to handle that pressure, because if I have a losing streak, I just step away. Worst case scenario, I can reassess my brain and look for a clean setup on another group with small size, you know, before I go on total crazy. So to handle the emotions, this is the thing that so far worked for me, by copy trading them in like these small groups, maximum 3 accounts, but usually if I copy trade 2, that's it. Before 3 months, yeah. What type of accounts do you have? Which prop? Oh, all my accounts are 50k accounts, and currently I have 4 Apex accounts funded, 3 Bulenox accounts. I have 1 extra in dormant, so basically I have 4 Bulenox, but anyway, it's not activated yet. So 4 Apex accounts, 3 Bulenox accounts, 1 Funded Futures network account. Oh, I forgot. I have 1 MyFunded Futures. Oh no, that's blown up. Okay. And 1 Take Profit Trader funded account. And I'm working. Oh yeah, and I have a FUNDEDNEXT Futures account, which I have not activated yet. 25k account. I passed it like 2 weeks ago, and I still didn't activate it. I have to check it if it's still on. Funded Futures network account. Man, maybe they deleted it already. Not for the future. FUNDEDNEXT Futures. Man, there's so many names. FUNDEDNEXT Futures 25k account. Now that's a TRADEIFY account, so that's why I'm not really trading it. I'm not used to TRADEIFY. Honestly, I don't even like it too much. I mean, it's user friendly, but I got so much used to Quantower. I don't even know what my password is. The FUNDEDNEXT Futures. Okay. Okay, futures inactive. Okay, here it is. So here's the FUNDEDNEXT Futures account. As you can see it here, verification required. That's a 25k account. I passed it 26,300. 89. I don't even know how much, but anyway, I just have to activate this. So so I have a funded account at FUNDEDNEXT Futures too, so that makes it 10. because it's gonna be a short stream only. I have to leave very shortly, in about 10 minutes or so. I have to leave. I told you guys yesterday and on Monday that I'm visiting my mother at the hospital, and I have to talk with the doctors, and the doctor is only available in the morning, and anyway, so I have to leave. But I'll be back. Hopefully, I'll be back for New York, because I have to drive 444 kilometers. I just checked it. 444 kilometers. Back and forth. So I'm from Hungary, yeah. Hey, thank you so much, Filkos. Whoa! MJ Musalam, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for joining. Welcome. He was in Budapest. Ah, nice. Bechka, nice. Great president. But yeah. Kosuta. Oh, nice. A brother from another mother. Yeah, so there was a time, Yamil, when I wanted to switch to gold, but I like the way NQ moves, so I haven't quit yet. But it helps. The problem is, I mean, not trader weight is not bad. Trader weight is good. I just so much got used to Quant Tower that, you know, came from Poland, live in Hamburg. Wow. Nice. Hippo Trader, hello. I already have to pay a monthly data fee for Funded Futures Network on the funded accounts. Is that true? No. I don't pay a monthly data fee. Maybe on the live account, but other prop firms, if they push you to live, not every prop firm, but some prop firms, including TopStep and I don't even know what others, maybe MyFundedFutures and some others. So some of the big ones also requiring you to pay a data fee monthly. Not on the simulated funded account. FUNDEDNEXT Futures has some commissions and micros. Yeah, I don't know much about FUNDEDNEXT. I just wanted to try it out. So as you guys saw it, I just gonna start with the new funded account. It's just a 25K account, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, everything is gonna be okay. The doctor said all is gonna be okay, but she has to stay there. So I have to drive back home to her house, pick up clothes and stuff, and then I have to drive down back to the hospital, talk to the doctor, and then, so you know, it's a road trip. I see. Well, yeah, you can customize those charts. Thank you, Filkos. $25 for... That's a lot. So one micro is $5 a round trip. That is super expensive. So one micro, you're saying for a round trip, is $5. That's like the most expensive I've known so far. Very, very expensive, man. Brother from another mother. Yeah, I'm using time charts usually. Yeah, you know, Yamil. But I will try out tick charts too. I got shotgun, supply, snack, and music. Yeah, nice. I mean, I'm gonna do some shorts maybe during the road. As I said, 444 kilometers, which is not a big deal. 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, we drove down to Croatia. So stay away from Nascrack. Yeah. Guys, this is absolutely not the ideal price action. I hope that the London Open is going to do something good, but I'm not gonna be here for that. So shenanigan, shenanigan. Welcome. Anyway, everybody, as much as I would like to stay, I mean, there is nothing here in the Asia session. The Asia session, man, you know, I'm still I need one more coffee in the London session. Hopefully the open will bring us something. So I just have to leave, but before I go, let me say, if you would like to support the channel, you know what to do. Just want to have a good time. Go out with your friends and family, have a beer. Whatever, go to the movies. But don't forget, it all helps you if you buy the best prop firm accounts with the code DUMSABO. Only the best deals, the best discounts, and a bit of a luck, and the blessing from God himself. So, check it out. Support the stream. Thank you so much, everybody. All right, I have to say goodbye right now. I try to get back. I'm no promises, but I try to get back for the New York Open. It's gonna be a long road. Take care, everybody. It was nice to see you guys, and as I said, I'll try to get back. Thank you for the support. Some good deals still going on. Thank you, everyone, and God bless you all. I'll be back hopefully for a New York session. All right, the best deal, the cheapest right now is Bulenox, but otherwise check out Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. Very good deals, and the buy one get one for free is still on at Funded Futures Network. Check it out in the description or in the chat. Thank you, everybody. I love you all. I love you all. You are beautiful, you know, beautiful people. I love you all. All right. Cheers, everybody. God bless.